In today's video, I will show you ways to obviate eczema using oatmeal. This is often an ancient organic homemade treatment to obviate rash, dermatitis. It's 100% safe, organic and cheap thanks to cure eczema. This suggests no costlier creams, lotions or pills. Dermatitis may be a quite common disease of the skin that causes rash, redness, bleeding, itchiness, irritation, inflammation and dryness. There are over 34 million people affected by this most annoying disease of the skin. Most people tend to spend many dollars on expensive creams, lotions and pills. These medical medications are effective in curing eczema, however they're extremely expensive. And dangerous also, as you recognize medical medicines as formed from harsh chemicals. And thus they cause dangerous side effects on the end of the day. Alternative treatments like organic medicine causes zero side effects. And in contrast to medical medicine, organic medicine using fruits, vegetables, plants and flowers so as to cure disease. Therefore organic medicine is extremely inexpensive and safe. Below is an example of an organic treatment for dermatitis skin. Oatmeal. Mixing oatmeal with water then gently applying over infected area will drastically reduce the symptoms of eczema. This natural paste will prove soothing relief from the foremost annoying symptoms mentioned earlier. By mixing these two organic ingredients, oatmeal and water, you'll create your very own homemade cream. But unlike medical cream where it's made up of harsh chemicals, this one is formed from natural ingredients. And thus it'll cause you no harm on the end of the day and it's very inexpensive. Thank you for spending some time with us. Give us your opinion on this video. If you liked the video, share it with your friends. For more information, subscribe to the channel.